क्या रे? स्ट्रीम नॉट स्ट्रीम ओके या
मैं पॉज करके आऊँगा क्या ये क्या है will not be streaming here or in general VC Windows
I'm watching stream done.
क्या
क्या रे?
नहीं ये admin did he think like we are gonna stream on Discord
Not Discord रे.
नहीं तो ये क्या बोल रहा है streaming here or in general VC
Yeah, stream is starting on डाल दिया.
alright 1 sec I'll go turn it on my tab and come yo Shamil right click transform fit to screen do it fit to screen I was opening and I was like watching you like तेरा browser है bro
What the hell, Lego or TX?
have you seen this watch
1 second.
I'll
Yeah,
show you the video
play.
look at this they revealed this look at the game bro
RTX.
how amazing the game looks it's like literally just Lego bro but damn does it look good this looks like a fun game you can review this Mazin looks really good
Bruh.
anyway
When is the launch?
हो गया bro
हो
it's
गया क्या?
it's on one unnamed site we will not name on stream
Windows 11
are you
launch is
streaming
happening.
this
Yeah,
are
I'm,
you
I'm
streaming
streaming. I'm not
this
streaming
window
this window. I'm not streaming this window.
look
Oh,
I'll stream on this
on this fitness website, it's there.
yes,
Demo,
man.
is it?
Fitness
Or it's
website.
a playable game?
Yeah, it's a playable game, I think.
Bro,
Should have
if you have you need a good monitor
for what
for like seeing that game in its glory.
damn look at this
Original itself is so small.
yeah epic and
Epic
potato
and
friendly
Potato friendly, yeah. What do you mean potato friendly? Like RTX can run. What's the requirements?
this guy is like Matrix Lego is not a time to be alive
slow, I guess. Even the
Launch time is 8:30. Painful
yeah
gaming.
it.
Yes.
Chal, let me just go to Microsoft or something
Yeah, the link is what? Microsoft.com/events, I think.
event
Looking at this stream.
game stuck live what the hell where is my Windows so
So what? Currently Windows 11.
Bro, imagine it's not today.
It is today, so that's for sure. Windows
You're
memes.
using Teak into Renora.
I'm using.
I'm trying to learn that. There's a
Teak into
project
it.
I have.
You can make games with it. I think.
GUI, it's a GUI thing.
Yeah.
You can make Tetris and all, I think.
Wow, we have 9 viewers. Hello,
Bro, and
guys.
and they're saying like this.
Where? What are you
We have
streaming?
9 viewers. We are streaming the Windows event.
It's just on starting stream, I guess. No, for now.
No, we're on the browser.
Alright. Yeah. Anyway.
No, what you? What? We're streaming the stream.
Yeah. We're streaming.
Big brain.
Big brain indeed, bro.
Bro,
Anyway,
let's go. Windows
Also,
memes.
it's like it's confirmed that.
How are you doing, guys? Hello, Akshay. Hello, Akshay.
What?
Yeah, hello, Suman.
Hello, Akshay.
Hello, Painful Gaming.
Hello, Akshay.
Hello, Fayaz.
We're waiting.
Nah, man, Windows memes.
We're doing fine. Painful gaming.
Hello, Marshall. We're doing very epic. How are you?
The launch will happen at 8:30, bro. Painful gaming.
Is it echoing for you guys?
Yeah. It's just like we are listening to it now.
No, I don't think it's echoing.
No,
man,
no.
so-
The stream is not
Oh,
echoing.
okay, yeah. I get it.
No. Hey, yo, share the link with me, Shamil.
Oh, okay, yeah. Gotcha.
Okay, so basically, this is like our commentary slash
Yeah,
like,
yeah, it's just a
like
watch
reaction.
If can streaming with
you
CNET's
can
live streaming
actually-
will be an epic stream of content for you guys to talk about. CNET's live stream. We'll check that out.
Actually, you can, Mazen, you can record your Pass the Leg Quiz podcast as well if you need. If you're going to
Here
talk
itself.
about, if you're going to talk
We'll
about,
do it
Disk
after the
cleanup
event.
utility called
Yeah,
We'll do it
sure.
after.
disk cleanup.
yeah, we can
As
talk
it
about
is.
what and all
Name, huh?
is there.
And it helps you find various files to remove, like temporary internet
Oh,
files.
I
system
think
error
I have a
mode,
better
dump
idea, bro.
files.
I'll stream this on
Windows
Discord for
delete
you
files
guys,
might
so
be
we are on the
rolling
like
around your
same
hard drive from
same
that time
timing
you
instead of
uploaded
like
to
being
Windows
forward
10.
behind.
So let's
Get
get
it?
rid of them.
To use
Alright,
disk
alright.
cleanup,
Yeah, that will be
double-click this
best.
PC,
Where's this?
right-click on the hard
It's new.
drive, select Properties at the bottom right of the window.
It's from
and
the
click Disk
stream. It was
Cleanup.
from the stream.
Sometimes it can find gigabytes of stuff to clean up.
I don't understand
It's
what
going
is
to calculate
happening.
files on your hard drive to clean up. After
Are you
which
streaming
it shows
my?
you a list which
Oh,
you
no,
can
you're not
select
streaming.
or deselect which
No,
stuff
I'm not
is
streaming
deleted
yours. I'm streaming
or
this,
cleaned up.
only the browser window.
Sometimes it finds gigabytes of stuff to clean up. When you're ready, click the OK button, and then in the pop-up window, click Delete Files.
Who are these
After it
guys?
deletes
What are
those
they
files,
streaming?
hit OK and close the window.
Here's
Are
how
you
to
streaming
delete
on
system
Discord?
files. which
Yeah,
can
I'm
take up
streaming on Discord
gigabytes of
also.
space.
From the same cleanup window we were just in, click the Cleanup System Files button. After a moment or two of calculating files to clean up,
Thank you.
you'll see previous window installations in your list.
Running well on an
Yeah, I'll
M3
just
powered
go
Surface
through the
6.
chat.
Pretty big
And-
file size.
Select which system files you want to trash and which you
Ah,
want to
these
keep.
people already
When you're
have
ready, hit
Windows
OK.
11.
Confirm that you want to delete things permanently
Yeah.
by clicking the
Yeah, it is.
Delete
It is
Files
available
button.
right now. The
Just a heads
developer
up, you
version.
might see a window pop up that warns you if you delete previous window install files that you won't be able to restore your PC back to an earlier version.
Akshay
For
is
this one,
just
it's on you.
Yeah, I
making
don't. I
progress
didn't
since right
understand.
now.
And
I
send
didn't
it.
understand. Can you
But
explain
you
it?
should also know that this process takes a couple minutes to a couple of hours, which is
He's
just
saying
enough
that
time
if we
to watch the
we stream
1988 action and
along-
martial arts film
inside CNET,
Bloodsport, starring Jean-Claude
alongside
Van
the
Damme.
officials,
The muscles
we
from
talk about it,
Brussels
like, literally
travel
live.
all the way down to Hong
yeah.
Kong
It's a
to
good.
fight
He's saying
in
it's
an
it's like
ultra-violent cop. What? It's
a
done.
very. It's like an epic streaming.
Big idea.
Martin, your voice kinda lagging, bro.
Yeah, you be
It's
like
like it's
up.
Yeah, your voice is dying.
A little over 3 years ago.
And of course, the screaming
no.
Now it's fine, I guess.
Microsoft even bought the rights to a Rolling Stones song for the theme of Windows 95.
Now?
Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now
Yeah,
it's fine.
it's
It's
fine.
so tight that for the main event in the big tent, I can't even take a
Yeah, it's
Snapchat
lagging.
camera in here, much less our
Kind
video
of.
camera. In fact, they've got it sealed up so tight you can't even take a peek from outside. Microsoft
What are you-
says this is
what
more
is-
than just an operating
what is this?
system. Windows 95 promises
This is
no less
Windows
than a
95 launch, bro.
computer revolution.
Bro,
This year,
95.
we will have shipped the
Damn,
product
man.
in over 30 different
Evolution of
languages.
Windows.
We
Who this guy, bro?
basically
Looks like I've
running
seen him
on,
before.
Microsoft
Yeah.
Windows.
I saw him once
For
on my
7
street, bro. He
years,
was
it
selling
Yeah, bro.
something to me. I was like,
I think
this
he
guy
came
looks
to my
shady.
neighbor's
Today
house.
we have over 100 million
He's
Windows
my neighbor,
users.
bro. What
Oh,
are
he
you
is your neighbor, oh.
Installed on a vast
Long
majority
back
of
he
your
took one
computers,
loan
hundreds
from
of
me.
major companies across the country have decided to upgrade.
Oh, okay, bro.
Yes, yes.
Did he return?
No,
I
no,
think
he said
he didn't. He
I need
tra-
1 or 2 million. I
like
said,
anyone in
Leave.
India who takes loans.
No, I said
he
leave.
just ran away to other countries.
Yo, you just gave it away. Hey, look at this. This is the teaser, I think. Okay, here's eyes, touch. Oh, touch screen. Basically,
Oh, they're
teasing the
sticking
touch
with
screen.
blue.
Yeah, blue is forever, bro. There's like forever blue, like in terms. of-
Always has been. But it was supposed to be RGB. Look, no. Look at the screen.
This
Now,
one. Which one?
ऊपर जाओ.
Huh?
ऊपर जाओ. This one.
The new wallpaper looks
The
This
nice.
one, huh?
wallpaper, right? The wallpaper.
Oh, this.
The wallpaper, yeah,
Yeah.
that one. This like looks. I need to search for that.
I don't know how to spell.
Wallpaper.
Ooh, this wallpaper.
Not that, right?
Then?
This is like I think pre-installed, right?
Yeah, this is the pre-installed wallpaper. That's
But
what
I
it
don't
looks
understand why didn't they stick with the original Windows 11 thing? Like they had the reveal,
like.
na? The teaser. Or
Yeah,
this-
yeah, yeah.
What's
this,
that teaser? Windows 11 teaser wallpaper. Yeah,
this one.
look at that. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's still like elements of color in that. If you
Mhm.
see the rainbow stuff, the
Rain-
one revealing 11, right? You see those
Uh,
ray traced shadows.
ray traced shadow, yes.
Ray tracing, new technology.
They're saying this is also the leaked wallpaper.
Man, everyone going with the abstract look. I
Oh,
don't
we
know
guys are
why.
featured on the search results for the live stream. So when the event begins, there'll be a ton of people jumping on the stream. Oh, okay, I get
Oh,
it.
thanks for that info,
Oh,
Akshay.
okay,
Now,
yeah.
now I
Yeah,
understand.
now
man.
we get it, bro. Now we get it. The event starts in like 9 minutes.
Epic hacks. We just hacked YouTube.
YouTube algorithm has been baited.
Yeah, I mean, basically, we can't get copyright.
Copyrighted for this.
Copyrighted
Yeah.
for this,
Yeah,
Your-
I don't
your
think
mic,
so. Your
mic's
mic is
suddenly
dying again, yeah. Bro, imagine there is Windows 11 wallpaper. Dark.
No, I will
dark
be
side.
so annoyed.
I will switch to Apple. I will switch to Apple.
Bro, I will switch to Android, bro. I will switch
You
to
buy for
Android.
us also. You buy for us also.
I will switch to Android if they do this.
One kidney enough, bro.
What
Kali
else?
Linux. Next big operating system.
Bro, Kali Linux so difficult to use. Windows, start your event fast. A lot of people are waiting for you, dude.
What is Windows doing? Lagging in the
Windows 11 lag.
What?
Oh,
So if like increase the meme, bro. Like expand that meme. I don't want to see the
which one? This one.
Oh,
Very expanded.
It has a curse word. Will it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Please fix MS Word.
I want to move this table a bit.
Bro, buy Office 365.
Oh
then
my
they'll
god,
fix-
man. The word is like so messed up, man. Word Online. Have you seen Word Online?
Nah, I
Like
haven't
Microsoft
seen Word Online.
Office Online. Pain, bro. Pain. Literal pain.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Like it's so bad, bro. There's
Wow,
no
bro, it's
like
not even starting for me.
there's like no definition of pages there. Like
क्या full continuous जाते रहता है क्या?
yeah, exactly. And like there is a defined line where it says like page breakup,
Oh.
but it's all like what do you say? Transparent, you know those like marked lines, like dotted lines. It's kind of like that. and there's no like defined page. This is one page for you. It just keeps like expanding or like going small or something.
Oh.
It's so annoying. Like the online version of.
Hmm.
They're
Oh,
forcing
login.
people be like, hey, download.
That's why many people are switching to Google Docs.
Yeah, even I
Yeah,
use
it's
dogs, bro. I
good.
use
Yeah, I
dogs.
know. It's so much better. It's so
The
much.
brown quiz Marley.
Hello, Marley. Marley. Marcus Brown. Bro, the way Will Smith
Ooh.
said it, man, it's just like epic. Marcus Brownlee.
Windows 11 XP edition. You all want Windows
that's
11?
hard.
I don't know why they shifted it to the middle, like
Just
straight
to
up
copy
ripping off.
Mac, bro. Yeah,
I know,
just
like
copy
ripping
Mac.
off Mac like crazy. Like, come on, man. Why did you do this?
Ooh.
Why did you have to do this? Oh, no, damn. Taskbar to the left.
Taskbar
Looks
can be
crazy.
hit anywhere.
Yo, this looks crazy. This is like a new Windows version for me. Like when you change the the taskbar to any side, it's like a new version.
Yo, what is that Flight Simulator 1986? What is that Flight Simulator 1986? 5
Flying
FPS,
billion, bro.
5 FPS gaming.
They had selected actual aircraft graphics.
Wow, bro,
Yeah,
but it looks
but
so
bro,
bad.
like
I
this-
would never play
This
that.
gen flight simulator is so crazy.
Insane.
Holy.
Okay, we got 5 minutes and 16 seconds.
Wait.
Oh yeah, just repeat that to our viewers. Hello guys, thank you for dropping in. We have
Yep.
5 more minutes until the event starts. So hold on.
Yes, 5 minutes, please. Till then, we'll continue looking at Windows 11 memes. Oh yes. You get this? You get this? Because of the logo.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Windows 11 updates. Guys, do you all have updates on your PC now?
They should.
No.
It's paid
I
or
think
free?
that game
Paid
is
or free?
no, it's free. Free upgrade to Windows 11.
Yeah, it's free.
Let's
It's free.
go.
This was actually not even supposed to happen. Like the last
Yeah.
Windows was Windows 10. Like they said.
They're like last
explicitly.
Windows
People
is
are
11.
pissed about it.
Yeah.
They were like, "Hey, what you said Windows 10 last? What you are doing? Hey,
Oh wow, my
delete,
updates.
cancel." But yeah,
I'm pretty sure there's no Windows PC on Earth which is fully updated. Like not even with Microsoft. It'll still be like some random update is pending.
bro, there's still some people using Windows 7, bro. Like, what are you talking about?
Windows 7. Rest
Some
in
people are
peace.
talking about XP Master Race or something like that. Like, come on,
Been
man.
using leaked Windows 11 for 3 days and it's surprisingly light. Akshay is saying that Windows 11 is light.
Oh.
Sus, that's
Yeah,
sus, bro.
like I've heard people saying like it's way better, like performance wise, but we will still not know like until
Yeah,
we get
until
a,
we
like,
try it out.
perfect release. Right?
Oh,
They
we
might
could-
mess up in the developing.
Bro, we could make a
version.
video out of it if anybody wants to do.
Sure, we can try, bro.
Yeah, anybody. We'll ask somebody.
Whose PC? Yeah,
Oh,
we
who wants to be beta tester guinea pig?
let's
Hey,
go.
Adnan is here. Hey, hello Adnan.
What's up?
Come watch Windows live event with us. 3 minutes. 3
New
minutes.
Windows coming out, bro. Get ready. Your lappy gonna explode into pieces.
Bro, they better change the settings. It looks horrible on
Bring back control panel is what I'm
on
saying.
Windows.
Control panel is insane.
Yeah, the
More than
old
enough.
one. The
Yes,
old one.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vista uses Llama only, bro. They ended
would-
Windows 7 thing also, man. Like,
Hey, this hardware unbox did like a benchmark.
what?
Hardware unbox did a benchmark on this Windows
We hadn't
11.
planned before we do any serious benchmarking. 14
This
dual
system-
channel single testing, but it'll work just fine. Margins.
Guys come from.
Again, I have seen
Lol.
benchmarks from
People-
other
Cinnamon
people and
not
other
for this.
media
Cinnamon
outlets. claiming
0%
5%,
improvement.
10%, 15%, and even 20% or
Still
more
does still
extra
exist.
performance with Windows 11. Sadly, though, for those of you running the latest AMD and Intel desktop CPUs, it doesn't look like the upcoming micro for this application or the
I
and
guess like
extremely
AMD
accurate.
is better for Windows. Like I'm seeing better scores on
both.
AMD rather than Intel.
Yeah.
वो
We see the
मालूम है,
same
but like
Premiere
Windows
Pro.
10 and 11 compare कर, there is literally like no difference.
Literally no difference.
Yeah, see
it's-
0.2,
I don't know what they've
0.3,
changed.
0.3.
I don't understand.
I think like the basic stuff and all runs
better in
That's
faster.
surprising.
Otherwise,
Like there is no very big what do you say, performance improvement in programs.
Go forward. This is gaming benchmarks.
Gaming
Next.
benchmarks is here. Look, 0.4. Final. This is just
Are
final
there
thoughts.
any
Bro.
improvement?
There is nothing. Look, it starts at like
It's
0%.
just minor, bro. Anyway,
Marks
final.
as well. And
0%.
even 20%.
Like how can you call 0.3 minor, bro? It's like non-existent.
Yeah.
1 minute 20 seconds.
Let's go.
1 minute, boys. 1 minute. Windows
Actually,
11 is
what's
basically
your-
Mac looking with a nice set of updates to track your data better.
Bruh. Just roasted.
I'm all for that. That's
Satya Nadella wants to know your location.
that's what epic.
Track your data, like that's so like crazily accurate, man. Like man, holy.
There
He's
is,
just
is there a Windows
like
11 page here?
revealed their whole changelog right there. Windows 11 changelog. Yes, bro, we made it back, and now we can track where you are. Pinpoint accuracy.
Joint meeting mute. Type hi in the chat.
Hey, at
Hey,
least
20 seconds. Let's go. 20 seconds.
At least they're good with memeing.
Yeah, Microsoft. You know those 60-year-old people trying to pretend they're 20. That is Microsoft.
Man, we roasted
Literally
Microsoft
every
like crazy.
Good morning,
Wow,
good
why is the
evening,
quality
good
so
afternoon,
shit?
wherever you may be in the world, welcome.
Who is this?
I'm so thrilled you're
Panos
able to
Panay.
join us today. I feel both honored
Thanos. He's like
and
Thanos.
truly humbled to represent an incredible
Nice one,
team
bro. Nice one.
today. And as we assembled as a team, and actually as we came together as a company, and thinking about the beginning of the next generation of Windows. You know, a big part of defining the future is always about understanding the past, especially in product making. And when you think about it, Windows has been part of our lives for 35 years. 30? That's incredible, right? 35 years.
Why
It's
does
been
it look
a
like
driving
he's
force for
giving some
innovation.
emotional speech and
It's been an
gonna cry or
enduring
something?
platform for creation. It's been home to billions.
Maybe
To help
it was
us do our
like, "Guys, I
jobs,
don't want
live
to
our
go, but
dreams,
please don't let me
and
go for
connect with
this
people we
thing."
love. And for me, as I personally reflect on the history of Windows, and as we as a team think about designing its future,
This is the emotional hook.
it keeps bringing me
It's the
back.
emotional hook to catch the audience in the beginning.
It keeps reminding me, this is my home. This is a photo of the house I grew up in, and it's the place that my parents, they still live
Going
today.
all in, man.
Even though it's changed, it's been renovated. Still, to this day, the minute I step inside, it feels right. It feels familiar. You know, it feels like home. But it's not just about this physical space. It's the feeling that I
where this
get
is
when I'm
going?
there, the people, the connections, the growth.
It'll be like, it's just like
And for
that.
you, it might not be about the house you grew up in.
Windows
It might
10
be a town, it might be your college, it might be a library, it might be a restaurant, a bar, it might be your gym. It could be anywhere, but what it really is, it's a place.
Oh,
Damn.
Windows lagging.
Windows be like, no, nope.
We'll watch this one. Nah, Windows is lagging, bro. We are not lagging.
Go back,
Place
go
you
back,
can
go back.
always find your way back.
Okay, we're back.
It's a space where we always know our way around.
Wow, bro. Live stream itself is lagging. What do you think about Windows? Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. Let's go.
Windows 11 off to an epic start, boys.
They lagged in the
Foreshadowing.
Game Pass Xbox stream as well.
Foreshadowing, boys. Foreshadowing.
Wow, with the entire internet down. Okay,
That's
we're back.
inspiring to me, and that's what Windows should feel like. It should feel familiar. It should feel secure.
He's lagging for real when he's speaking. Hey, look at him vibrating, bro. Try using Internet Explorer, you'll probably get a live stream of Vista. Bro,
It
this
should
guy
feel
actually is
open,
trolling Windows.
connected. Especially right now. Especially in these times of change.
Oh my god, man.
Bruh, these people,
Who,
come
bro,
on my head.
who is streaming this?
But,
like,
we gotta
click
teach
on-
them something.
Go back to that.
These last 18
Click on
months
live.
have shown us quite a bit.
Ah.
They're streaming this on Windows XP.
Who knows what
They'll
they're
be
doing
like
with the
streamed
live
from
stream, bro.
Windows. They were about to say like this all was like streamed through an Windows XP 11 PC or something like that. They just gave up, bro. CNET just gave up.
Windows
Okay,
of
very
tomorrow. To build you a place, a space that feels familiar, where you can create,
Everybody from CNET, please
learn,
come here. We have
play.
something at least.
produce, and maybe most importantly, connect in all new ways. Right now, I'm so pumped in representing the team and introducing you to Windows 11.
Yes, very Windows 11 moment. Woo!
The Windows that brings you closer to the things you love.
Woohoo! Windows 11 logo launch event.
CNET be like, nope.
CNET just gave up or what?
CNET just they're back.
They're back. But they're way behind, bro. They're behind, I think.
We are new. We stream new stuff. Stream that.
Okay, this is running now.
I guess you're watching someone else someone else's stream on someone else's.
Streamception. And you're watching my Discord stream off the stream.
I know, right? Streamception.
Oh, okay, so the logo will change. Mac OS.
Matching the leaks until now.
Same wallpaper.
Oh, same logos to the MS Office.
They didn't change the logos much.
Now they said that logos will be new. I thought something different, but it's like everything they put curved and put more color. Oh, settings, what? Oh, new settings, boys, we have new settings.
Ooh. Alright.
Oh, this is sick, bro. I like that.
This I saw.
I like this, bro. This is sick.
And died again.
And
It's
go
a
back to
place
the
that my
original.
parents, they still live today.
What?
And even though it's changed, it's been renovated, still, to this day, the minute I step inside,
Is this old?
it feels right.
Yeah, it's old.
Technical difficulty. Wow. Go live.
Reload. Click. Hopefully it doesn't die. Let's see. Look at the tweets. yeah.
Is there any tweets? How to watch?
Latest. Go to latest.
I've been a sure.
Haven't even done anything.
Bruh. I'm on a
event
150
is
Mbit
loading
line and the
already.
event is loading. I'm watching in 5-second chunks.
This is gone. Like deleted.
Bruh, what is this? What
Go
is
back,
this
go back, go
event
back.
even?
Go to that original thing.
It is still like loading. CNET isn't technical.
Yeah.
Bro, the one event we decided to stream and Windows does this like this. What to do now?
Well, this reveals Windows' true nature.
Windows 11.
This was
Are they live streaming on Twitter?
they just.
This is also
and
loading.
Yeah, this is also loading. Oh wait, it's more
real. The transitions are
Oh, wait.
beautiful, and you can feel their
It's
intelligence.
working on Twitter.
We redesigned the themes. We looked at light mode, dark mode, tuning the contrast with the materials so the
Hey,
content
figured out
stands
hacks.
out. You'll notice the rounded corners
Twitter's
throughout the
theme is more
entire
better.
product. The
Yep.
softer visuals,
Ooh,
they
wait,
happen on the apps that you open
Explorer
as
changed
well.
now.
And when we
Yeah, they
talk about
changed
the materials
Explorer.
coming together seamlessly, this is what we mean.
Please remove
Watch
edge, delete edge.
as I open
Ooh.
what looks like a
Bro,
sheet of glass that
copy
slides
from
over the top of the
Mac
product.
OS when you
It helps
swipe
you
with 3
understand at all
fingers.
times where you are.
Widgets, bro,
And
widgets.
sometimes
Same
getting you the
copy.
inspiration and information that you need when you need it. It's what helps you be productive and creative. All of these details coming together, the transitions, the user interface, how it all flows together is meant to bring you an incredible sense of calm. Now, we talked about Windows 11 being beautiful on the outside, but it's also beautiful on the inside. The product is faster. Waking from sleep is faster. Windows Hello is faster. Browsing on Edge is faster. Browsing on any browser is faster, actually, which is just awesome. Windows updates.
Not on Windows. Not
Let's
on
just
Windows.
update.
Windows updates are 40% smaller, and they're more efficient as they happen in the background.
Finally,
The
finally.
product uses less energy, which gives you more battery life and makes Windows more responsible. And maybe most important, Windows 11 is the most secure Windows yet.
Quick,
Your
quick.
mate.
Cap,
All of this
Your
cap.
craftsmanship,
I call cap.
from the details of design through the performance, they come together to empower you to produce and inspire you to create. To really understand its beauty, you have to see how it feels.
For over 1.3 billion people around the world, Windows is what inspires us to imagine, to create, and ultimately, to get things done. With Windows 11, we made it faster and simpler to get started, to get organized, and to get back into what you were doing, all so that you can be your most productive and creative. The new Start menu, with its simple, clean, and beautiful centered layout, is optimized so you can find what you
Still,
need quickly.
to this day,
Use the search
minute I
bar to
step
find things
inside,
anywhere,
it
on your
feels
PC,
right.
OneDrive, and the web. Use the recommended section to jump right back to editing. Start utilizes the cloud and the
Instagram.
power of M365
Yeah.
so you can see your recent files, no matter what platform or device you were viewing them on earlier. In fact, I was looking at this Power and Simplicity document on my phone this morning. And now with just one tap, I'm right back into it. We're also making it easier to get started with new multitasking experiences. Windows has always
Hey,
been
look at
about
that
helping
keyboard,
you work
what?
how you want by
What
offering
is
the
that keyboard?
flexibility of using
Ergonomic, bro,
multiple windows
ergonomic.
on your screen. The ability to snap
Nice
two
tab,
apps
bro.
side by side has helped busy Windows users for years.
I think this
My
is
team and I
focused
took
on
the challenge
touchscreen
to make
only.
an even more powerful way to help you create and be productive. Introducing Snap Layouts. New on Windows 11, layouts
Copied from
tailored to
Mac
the size
OS.
of your screen.
Very
Pick the
helpful
layout
for
that suits you,
the classes.
and with a couple of
Yeah, but
clicks,
this is really
you're
nice.
set up to do your
Yeah,
best
this one
work.
is good.
Online
Windows is
exam
gonna remember
copy.
We
this.
could do
You'll
it
see
now
what I
with
mean
like
in a sec.
Windows and left key.
This
arrow
is
key, but there's not
complexity
much,
made simple, but deceptively
options.
simple
There's
because
only
nobody
left
else
and right,
lets you
that's
do this with this many windows. With the new Start menu and Snap Layouts,
wait.
it's effortless to find what you
I can
need
still do it.
to get set up and get started. Next, I want to show you how Windows helps you get back to where you were. Just when you get all settled in and organized and ready to work, along comes the inevitable interruption, a personal email that I need to reply to right away. Now with Windows 11, when you return to what you were doing after handling the interruption, or even when you return to the PC after being away from it for a while, you don't have to remember where you were or waste time setting things back up. Not anymore. This is Snap Groups, the collections of apps that I was using, sitting right here in the taskbar. Windows remembers and keeps them for me.
Yes, it's
I can get to
ending.
it right from the taskbar, where I'm already going to switch apps. And because they're right on the taskbar, you can now choose to switch between apps or entire projects.
Bro, I don't get it.
This is next level task switching,
Next
bringing
level task
multiple
switching, yeah.
windows back together is something you can only do
basically
on
macros.
Windows.
Just if I put it on sleep
Sometimes switching
now,
projects or tasks
everything will be there
means
only
switching
now.
locations, like taking a call in a quieter space. So if you're not docking yet, and pro tip, you really should be, an extra monitor gives you more screen space to spread out.
Full copy.
And you have the convenience of taking your device
That
with
Apple
you.
feature,
When you
from
do need
iPad to
move
here, like
around,
that, same thing.
the windows on your
But with
monitor
this.
minimize to your laptop, so they don't disturb what you were doing. And now with Windows 11, and this is where the magic really happens, when you reconnect,
Oh yeah, it used to
everything
mess
is
up
back where
fully.
you had it before. No more trying to remember what you were doing. No more reconfiguring your layout. It's just right back to the way that you had it. So relax and get right back to doing. With Snap Groups and the new docking and undocking experience, it's easier than ever
Actually,
to
yeah,
get back to
correct.
being your most productive and creative. I also want to show you 2 ways we're making it easier to always know where you are in Windows.
Yeah, it's actually
and
good.
in
Like they're
experiences
copying the good
Microsoft
parts
Edge.
of the other OS.
As we research and watch videos
know
and
we like
shop
this
in the
auntie
browser,
kinda do
it's easy
business.
to get lost in a bunch of tabs. With one click, you can switch to vertical tabs, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for.
Okay, now they're
The
doing
second way we're making it easier to know where you are is with desktops. We designed desktops to help you stay organized and focused. Each desktop can display a different set of apps so that you can make separate rooms for the different parts of your life. With Windows 11, you can now
Windows 11
personalize
is
each of
free
your
upgrade
desktops with
if
custom
you have
wallpapers,
Windows 10, I think.
so that each desktop can be its own place with its own look and purpose. You can have one for home, one for school, one for work. You can even have one for gaming. Have as many as you need. Desktops are an easy way to help you stay organized and focused. They're different expressions of you designed for the different parts of your life. The team and I are grateful, so grateful, that many of you choose Windows as your place to be creative and to get things done. We took aim at complexity.
Not like we
and
have
we
another
brought you
choice.
simplicity.
Exactly, man.
We cannot
There's
wait
no
to
other
see what
UI
you do
centered,
with Windows 11.
Linux users.
That was just
basic-
awesome. I am so inspired to make
Linux
products
user
with
is not
Carmen and the
user-friendly at
team.
all.
Snap layouts, docking. I mean, these features, I'm pumped. I can't wait for you to try them. And for me, I have to tell you, they have changed my workflow on a daily basis. And they work incredibly well. But it's not just about productivity. It's not just about creativity. Beyond those things, there's
guys,
another
it's about a
critical
home.
part of Windows.
Let's see.
And we said we want to bring you closer to the things you love. Connecting to people is at the top of that list. Now, during the pandemic, for
Taking
me,
advantage of
it's a pretty
pandemic for
interesting
money.
time.
My head.
I connected with my family more face-to-face than I had in quite some time. I mean, think about how many connections we all made. And whether it was on Zoom or Skype or Teams, we've connected with friends and family and loved ones
we have
all
tried
around the
Ubuntu.
globe through
I
our
haven't.
PCs. On
Yeah.
Teams, my family and I would get together regularly, and it was pretty inspiring. It really did. You start
the
using it, and
Penguin
it
software.
changed the way you
Ubuntu,
think
I
about
have
connecting
tried
with
Ubuntu,
family.
the lightweight one.
It was almost like, why weren't we doing this before? I'm closer with my family in Cyprus now than I ever was. But don't get me wrong. I mean, I want to hug them. I do. I want to be with them. I want to be next to them. But at the same time,
Why is this guy so emotional?
I don't want to lose this opportunity to connect with them on the PC. The way we've
This
been
guy is gonna
connecting
be
and
the
getting
next
closer.
meme, bro, for sure.
It's almost
I know, right?
like we found
Please
a new
listen, guys.
tradition.
Listen. Yeah, it's
Which is why I'm super excited today to announce to you
Skype. New Skype.
Teams
I'm calling it.
integration directly into Windows.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Now
no.
you can connect with one touch.
They're
Now it won't
The
let me
icon
delete.
front and center.
Now it won't
on
let
the
me delete
taskbar,
Teams like
just
Skype,
fast and
remember?
you're in.
Before.
You can chat, call,
They're
video
all
call
competing
with
with
anyone,
Zoom, man.
anywhere in the world. And no
Desperate.
matter what platform you're using, it doesn't matter.
You saw
Any
FaceTime
device you're
coming in
using,
with the
it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
like, bruh,
That's
like,
so
looks
important to
good. They have
understand.
epic
Whether you're on
features.
Windows
It's only
or
for
iOS
Apple users
or
still.
Android.
No, no,
Just
no, no.
send
It
the
doesn't
meet
matter.
link to the guy.
What's
Yeah,
amazing
that's
You can't
it.
create
is that with
something from
one
your,
touch around the world, you connect with the people you love.
But it is like better, I guess. Like you can just connect, like without opening any apps, I guess. But bro, still, like, what is this? It feels like so forced on us. Like, yeah, bro.
It's like, remember long back When we were 8 or 10, we had Yahoo Chat, Yahoo Mail, and all.
yeah. MSN, bro. MSN. Who can forget MSN?
Yeah.
MSN.
Everyone used to chat by that to like long distance and all.
Skype was so good back then. Like now.
Yeah,
it's
bro, they
dead.
messed it up. But this Teams has the same caller tune as Skype. You notice?
I know, be like, I don't have anyone to love. Lonely gang. Yeah, man.
Get good,
I understand,
Simon.
bro.
Get good.
Get noob. Hey, emotional.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I just felt like saying hi.
हिंदी में बात करो. Bro, like this first inclusion of people, like I don't understand.
Everybody.
How they managed to do it. Every company, every single company, man.
Life's better together, huh? Who said?
We are here for Windows, Windows even not
for
because of Teams and
Teams is near and dear to my heart.
And
no doubt.
emotional blackmail.
And just like Windows brings you closer to the people you love,
They discontinued G-Talk, no?
it
it's
also
gone.
will bring you closer to the information you both want and need. I want to introduce you to a new feature,
I remember Google
Windows
Hangout.
Widgets. You saw this earlier.
Widgets.
It's this beautiful sheet of glass. Windows Widgets is a new
Ooh, free sheet
personalized
of
feed
glass, bro.
powered by AI, serving you curated content so you can take a break at any time or just get some inspiration without ever losing your place. These and other innovations in touch, pen,
Free performance
voice, mouse, keyboard, they all come to life to help Windows adapt to you.
Adaptability, flexibility, and versatility are key to creating even more personal computing. So to make Windows 11 something beautiful that works better with you and for you, we've redesigned the experience of Windows without a keyboard, so it adapts to you instead of the other way around. We've refined the ways you interact with your PC to give you the flexibility to work how you want. And we've created new experiences to make Windows your go-to, not just for productivity, but also content and entertainment. So first, adaptability. I have a 2-in-1 because I didn't want to also buy a tablet. But to be honest, I never use it without the keyboard because it feels too different. Windows 11 always feels like Windows. And you'll see what I'm talking about as soon as you detach your keyboard. It's the same beautiful centered taskbar, just with a touch more space
This
between
is
the
for
icons.
rich people
We've added bigger
segment.
touch targets and subtle visual cues to make resizing and moving windows easier. You still have Snap to make the most of your screen, and when you rotate, not only is it smooth, but we've stacked them on top of each other because it just makes sense. We've also added gestures because we know how important they are, especially when you don't have a keyboard. And they're the same ones you use on the trackpad today, so you don't have to relearn how to use your device. It's a consistent experience with subtle differences to make Windows adapt to you. Next, we've refined the different ways that you can interact with your PC. Want to. It's a great way to sketch out ideas or highlight and take notes. With Windows 11, we're enabling haptics to make using your pen even more engaging and immersive. I cannot wait for you to get your hands on one of these because it's amazing to feel and hear the vibrations as you click and edit and write and sketch. Or you can use the new touch keyboard, which is amazing.
He's roasting these guys.
There are new themes, so you can make it yours. It might even feel like the one you have on your phone. You can swipe with your thumb, use the spacebar as a cursor, and it wouldn't be complete without emojis and
Bro,
GIFs.
that keyboard looks horrible to type on.
And last but certainly not least, voice
No
typing.
one will use
Arguably
that.
the fastest way to get your
I guess
ideas down on paper.
Screen users can do it.
Windows
Microsoft
11
stuff
is so good at recognizing what you say. And it can automatically punctuate for you.
Indian accent will come now. We
Cool,
will
right?
see where this.
Yeah.
And there are voice commands. Delete that. And finally, we've created new
What if I want
experiences
to
to
type
make Windows
delete that?
more versatile. Not just a place for
I know,
productivity, but also your go-to for content and entertainment. Anytime I'm on my PC, I could check stuff like my calendar, the weather, and the news. Instead, I normally pick up my phone because it feels quicker and
What if
doesn't
I
mess
wanted
with
to
what I
delete
have on my
that
desktop.
alone? That the word
This
that.
brand new
alone,
feature
bro.
called
Wow.
widgets keeps you up to date with the stuff that matters to you without you having to lose your place. It slides over your desktop, and you can use it like this, or you can make it full screen to see everything at once. You can rearrange and resize your
Voice
widgets
tracking.
to quickly check everything from calendar to traffic to the latest in esports. But my favorite part is the newsfeed. And I think you're gonna love it too, because it adapts to you and what's important to you and delivers stories that might interest you.
Google News.
Whether that's
They have,
international
like, the
Who
politics,
reads news on like
tech,
PC, bro?
or the local news to
I
help
do
you stay close
sometimes.
to your community,
Chrome,
which means a
Phone,
lot to me
Chrome I read.
personally.
On Chrome, like
And not
tabs,
only can I
it
stay up to date,
automatically
Yeah,
comes
yeah,
right
yeah.
when you open.
I can even
On
support
Microsoft
local
News.
content creators and authors by giving them a tip.
Hey, brave
The last
copy.
way I want to show you how we're making Windows 11 great
These
for
guys,
entertainment
man.
is in the Microsoft Store. We've
They just looked
redesigned
at
the entertainment
who
tab
has,
to
like,
bring
the
you
best
top
features, and they're
movies
like,
and TV
yep,
Ah,
shows
copy all
from
that.
across streaming services.
They're like
all in
our
one place.
feature communism.
Then you can either cuddle up in bed or project to your TV with wireless connect.
Oh, that's nice.
But your
That's
TV
nice.
should have that, no?
I think I can do that.
Windows
with,
11 makes the
console.
PC
Ooh,
even more
yeah,
personal
yeah.
by adapting to you,
You can do that.
empowering
Oh,
you to
can't do
work
that on
and create
Apple,
however you like,
Huh?
and by giving you the best
You
of
can't do that on
productivity and
Apple. You can
entertainment
AirDrop.
all
Yeah,
in
I
one
can do on
place.
AirPlay.
So as
I
you
can do
move
that
through your
with
day,
Apple devices.
Windows 11 moves with you.
I mean, like my MacBook or.
All right, that
phone
was
or
amazing
something
stuff.
can
I want
do.
to take
But not
just
PC.
a few more seconds talking about the feed
Actually, are
and the
those
Windows
widgets,
platform,
like you
and
said,
just
you had
thinking
Windows
about
11,
it.
right? Is it
Think
like
about the
eating up your
size, the scale of the Windows
performance, or is it,
platform,
like, light?
He said it's
and the
way better
opportunity
now.
to open up to
Even
local
like if you put
content
widgets.
creators.
He didn't tell us about that.
Oh, it's
It's what's
lagging
on
on
Brave.
Twitter now.
All right, now let's switch gears for just a second.
Stop lagging, you fool.
I want to talk to you about something awesome. Gaming.
Hey, let's
If you're a
go.
gamer,
Let's
when-
go.
Hey, are they finally talking about gaming?
Let's go.
Gaming.
Windows 11,
Gaming.
Oh,
it
And
was made
Twitter
for you.
started to lag.
And the
This is
best
about
person to
cloud
tell you
gaming.
about it is my good friend and colleague, Sarah Bond.
Go back to that.
Good
itself,
for consumers. And we're just at the
fact-
beginning of opening
Yeah.
up new real estate within
Go,
Windows.
go for
Stream
Twitter
rate,
itself.
Why?
All right,
stream rate.
now
No,
let's
no,
switch gears
stream is nice.
for just a second.
TV stream rate.
I want to
No,
talk
no,
to you
No,
about
it's
something
running,
awesome.
it's running.
Okay.
Gaming.
Oh yeah, okay.
If you're a
Right,
gamer,
right.
Windows 11, it was made for you.
Hey, they're also
And
having
the
the
best
Twitter
person to
live
tell you
stream.
about it is my good friend and colleague,
Yeah?
Sarah Bond.
देखना वो live
Thanks,
37.5 के
Panos.
नीचे डाला है.
I'm thrilled to be here today to share the latest gaming innovations in Windows 11. Gaming has always been fundamental to what
Xbox,
Windows is
president of
all
Xbox,
about.
or what?
We
Yeah,
build
that's what I'm
Windows to be a
saying.
magical
They're going
place
to
where
integrate
everyone can play,
streaming
connect,
cloud,
and create.
cloud game.
The
Game
Windows
Pass Pro.
legacy is one of innovation through collaboration, breaking down barriers, crossing divides, and bringing all creators and players together in a limitless world. Our commitment to
Bro,
boundless
these
creator
guys,
and player
man.
experiences is
Oh my God.
fundamental to what
Green
we
and chat
do.
is going
And for
crazy.
me,
Like GTA 6,
This
GTA.
commitment is
What
personal
the
because
heck?
Windows is where I learned to play.
These people, bro.
My first memory of playing a game is with my dad when I was 7 years old, playing King's Quest II on his IBM PC. I remember the joy of navigating the 8-bit character of King Graham through the 2D world of Daventry. And I chuckle now when I realize that my dad was just getting me to practice reading when he insisted that I read the dialogue out loud. Now, when I play games with my daughter, it always transports me back to that time. It feels like home.
Yes, 8-bit
Today,
gaming. in
hundreds of
2021.
millions of people around the globe game on Windows. And the next generation can connect with their loved ones through play, just like I do. And while the 8-bit world I explored with my dad felt huge to my 7-year-old eyes,
The universes we all get to explore now are truly vast, beautiful, and impactful. With superior graphics, amazing speed, and an incredible selection of games, Windows 11 delivers the best PC gaming experiences yet. And that is why I am delighted to share what Windows 11 means for the future of gaming. First, superior graphics. Games can look better than ever on Windows 11 thanks to Auto HDR, which automatically updates your game's lighting and color to high dynamic range. We introduced this tech in our Xbox consoles and got an incredible response from creators and players.
Who has HDR
It's just
monitor
awesome
and all?
to bring this to Windows 11.
Maybe they'll do
The results can be dramatic.
Is that
Just
Skyrim?
check out this
Oh
side-by-side Skyrim from our own
Stop it
Bethesda
already,
Game
bro.
Studios. On the
Like,
left, you can
come
see the
on,
game
man.
running in SDR, and on the right in Auto HDR. The colors and lighting are much more vibrant and lifelike with HDR, elevating the visual fidelity. The difference is stunning. Over 1,000 games, including Age of Empires
could've used
Definitive
Lego
Edition,
Builders, Jenny. I would've
DayZ, and
respected that,
even
but-
Doom 64 will be
Oh, boy.
automatically
Free now.
enhanced on Windows 11 devices that support HDR.
Games are free.
And all of this with no effort
What is
required
free?
from the player or the developer.
Sonic Mania and
It just
Oh,
works.
yeah.
I think we can play Horizon Chase.
Next, amazing
Yeah,
speed.
we can play that.
With top-performing PCs running Windows 11, new games can load faster than ever thanks to a breakthrough technology called Direct Storage, which we first pioneered in the Xbox
Oh,
Series
this is coming
X
here
and
or what?
S.
Bro, this could
With
be
Direct
insane.
Storage, games
be
can
insane,
quickly
right?
load
Yeah,
assets
yeah,
to the
yeah,
graphics
yeah,
card without bogging down the CPU. This means you get to experience incredibly detailed game worlds rendered at lightning speeds without long load times. Direct Storage optimized
Hey.
Windows 11 PCs are configured with the hardware and
Oh,
drivers
and
needed
there's
to
a set
enable
of
this
PCs, man. Oh,
amazing
okay.
experience.
I don't think it's all PCs.
But you all know,
Hmm.
even the best graphics and speed are nothing without play. Which brings me to the final and most important thing of
Hey,
all.
Game Pass.
Games. That's why we created Xbox Game Pass, built right into Windows 11 through the Xbox app.
Okay,
Game
they
Pass
built
is
it.
a membership built to bring the power of games to everyone. For a low monthly price,
like,
you
gotta
have
give props
full
to
access
Microsoft,
to a
man,
library
like,
of hundreds
yeah, like,
of games.
Giving
The Game
PC
Pass
like the
library
first
is
experience and
incredible.
all that stuff,
It
you know?
includes PC
I
games
respect.
from both Xbox Game Studios and Bethesda the day they launch, all of EA Play, and a great selection of third-party titles from developers big and small, with more entering every single month. And with Xbox Cloud Gaming integrated,
PUBG
we've
is
made it
there.
possible to play the highest fidelity games on all PCs.
PUBG? What?
Yeah, I saw
Also,
PUBG is
because
there,
of our
Game Pass.
commitment to player-first innovations like crossplay and
The PC PUBG
cross-save,
is like,
you can play these games
You will
seamlessly
die.
across devices with a global community
And you
of
won't know
millions
how.
of players. Game Pass is simply the best way to discover and play your next favorite game. And for those favorites you want to keep, you can also buy them straight from the Xbox app with just the click of a button. Whatever you're in the
Are you
mood for,
lagging?
whether it's an action game like Halo, a grand strategy
That
game
stream
like
itself
Crusader
is
Kings
lagging,
3,
bro.
or an indie legend like Undertale, we've got you covered. And because Windows has the
Wonderful.
broadest hardware support in the world, you can connect millions of gaming peripherals and accessories so you can game the way you want. Everything from Bluetooth controllers, mechanical keyboards, the Xbox Adaptive Controller, and surround sound headsets, to flight sticks, driving wheels, and external GPUs. From the team that has always been committed to unleashing creativity, connection, and play, we bring you the best Windows ever for gaming.
Why
Superior
is she smiling
graphics,
like that?
amazing
Kind of
speed,
joke, I guess.
and
She's
incredible
like trying to hold the
games.
laughter down.
Welcome to Windows 11.
Bro, they just skipped over that question, right?
Which question?
Like, what happened to Windows 10 being the last?
They're like, huh, sight.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. cut that music right there, bro.
Thank you, Sarah. That was amazing. Gaming
it.
is awesome. We've seen a lot today. We've gone through productivity, creativity, versatility, and gaming. But when you think about it, it's always about apps. And Windows has always been about apps. This is why we
They said there's a
rebuilt the
huge upgrade
Microsoft
to
Store
Windows
from the
yeah,
ground
Microsoft
up.
Store.
And we built it for speed. And it is
Let's do it
beautiful.
different.
Oh, that's cool. I love seeing Disney Plus in the store. The store is so simple to use. Search is incredible. And it's still the safest and most secure way for you to get your apps on Windows. And we're making sure every app you need is there to create, learn, do, and play the way you want to. Now, for the developers out there, let me talk to you. First, you're our heroes. What you do, what you build, I mean, I gotta tell you, it inspires us. But we also want you to be able to bring any technology, the technology that you love, to the store. Whether you've already built it or you're building it now, and it's a
Bro, let's just send
PWA
our
or a
technology,
Win32
bro.
app or a UWP, we just want to make it easier
Zoom.
for you to bring it to the store. That's our goal.
They featured Zoom
We
in there.
also
Paid,
want to
bro, all
help you
paid
build your
only.
business. And whether you use the commerce engine that we help you with, and you want industry-leading rev share from that, or bring your own commerce engine. And if you do bring your own commerce engine, you keep 100% of your revenue. We keep zero.
Damn.
A great
Bro,
example of where
that's-
all this store technology comes
Ooh.
together is with Adobe, who are just doing
Respect,
amazing
man.
work, bringing the Creative Cloud and Document Cloud directly to the Microsoft Store through their subscription services across a suite of app technology from UWP to PWA and Win32. We
Damn,
are
what
really
happened to the
excited to expand
Mac
this partnership
loyalty,
with
bro?
Adobe and
It
to
was
see what
so
developers around the
great
world
using
will
this
create
Mac
in the
Adobe.
Microsoft Store. Because what you do inspires us, and we want to help. Now, to learn more about it, we have a session for developers later today, and we are excited to take a deeper dive. Please join us. Okay, before we move on from the store, just one more small surprise. Android apps coming to Windows. And I mean coming to Windows. They can be integrated into Start. They'll be integrated in your you can window the way Carmen showed you earlier with these apps.
Bruh.
And for me, like one of my favorite apps is TikTok. It's true. And they're
Yo,
discoverable
Mazen,
through
say
the
goodbye to
Microsoft Store
BlueStacks, bro.
using the Amazon App Store. It's really cool.
Gamer.
And we use
I saw
Intel
some
Bridge
game.
technology to bring it to life so it's just seamless and
Even
smooth.
Intel Bridge
And these
technology.
integrated apps, I mean, it's just, what it does is it brings you into Windows from the most professional editing apps all the way through to the most casual apps you can think of when you lean back on the couch, the way Philip had showed you, to just let Windows adapt to what you do. We love this. We love that the Microsoft Store continues to be more open, inviting our developers in, inviting more apps into the store, inviting you as our customers to use any app that you love.
Bruh.
Now, we're also excited that our hardware partners are ready. Now, we know how important the intersection of hardware and software is on these products. And that always starts with the silicon. And our partners from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm have been designing with us since day one to bring these products to life for you. Focusing on battery life, performance, touch, pen, all these innovations and the subtleties in between that you need to bring these products to life are all being designed. As a matter of fact, what Intel's doing right now with their 11th gen processor is just awesome. With hundreds of designs coming this holiday, we're super excited. We
Intel paid them a
also
bit, bro.
have the largest hardware ecosystem on the planet. Between Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, and of course Surface, from day one, have been designing products with Windows 11 to bring that elegance to the forefront, to help us build technology for you that will disappear so you can do your best work. What's incredible about this open hardware ecosystem is it brings you choice, where you can pick the product that you love most with Windows 11. Go out today and get your Windows 11 ready PC. We hope you loved what you saw today. And I know it was a lot, there's no doubt. And over the last year, the team and I, this incredible team that brings all this passion to this product, have realized Windows, it's more than just an operating system. It's fabric woven in our lives, in our work. It's how we connect with people. It's how we learn. It's how we work. It's how we play. And through all this time, it has stayed familiar. And yet, it has continued to evolve with us. It feels a lot like home. Thanks again for joining us today. It is my great pleasure to introduce you to my friend, Satya.
Hey.
Thank you so much, Panos. I'm really excited to be here with you all. Today marks a major milestone in the history of Windows. It's the beginning of a new generation. I'm excited by what we have shown you today and how we are reimagining everything, from the operating system itself to the browser to the store and the feed. And I want to reflect briefly on how we got here. Throughout its history, Windows has been a democratizing force for the world. Windows has created entirely new categories for both consumers and businesses. It's led to many of the world's most successful software categories, from communications and productivity to design and business applications, each of which has created their own ecosystems. The web itself was born and grew up on Windows. It's driven silicon innovation and device innovation. It's enabled so many people, including hobbyists, students, developers, and entrepreneurs, to all dream big, turn their ideas into reality, and monetize their creation. Windows has always stood for sovereignty for creators and agency for consumers. With Windows, you can consume apps and build apps. You can play games and design games. You can buy a PC and build a PC. You can join your community and create your community. You can buy from a business and start your own business. With Windows 11, we have a renewed sense of Windows' role in the world. As I look ahead, I see three clear opportunities. First, Windows recognizes that there is no personal computing without personal agency. Personal computing requires choice, and we need to nurture and grow our own agency over computing itself. We want to remove the barriers that too often exist today and provide real choice and connection. We need to be empowered to choose the applications we run, the content we consume, the people we connect to, and even how we allocate our own attention. Operating systems and devices should mold to our needs, not the other way around. That's why we're making it easier for you to connect with the people you want, the content you want, the apps you want across all devices you want. Second, Windows is the stage for the world's creation. As a creator, every time you pick up a Windows device, it becomes a stage for your inspiration so you can dream big and create something profound and lasting. Creation is going through a sea change as the balance between consumption and creation changes. With this new generation of Windows, we are unleashing the innovation and ingenuity inherent in each of us. We want to foster these virtuous loops between content, consumption, and commerce, driven by communities for everyone. These cycles should flow freely, giving people frictionless access to apps, files, games, movies, shows, content, and communities that matter to them. We want to empower you to produce and inspire you to create. It's why we're introducing a complete new user experience in helping you be more productive. And finally, Windows isn't just an operating system. It's a platform for platform creators. It allows for the broadest of design spaces, enabling people to build their own businesses and communities. Today, the world needs a more open platform, one that allows apps to become platforms in their own right. Windows is a platform where things that are bigger than Windows can be born, like the web. That's our aspiration with Windows 11, to be the platform for the next web, the next transformational software category, the next personalized content business. A platform can only serve society if its rules allow for this foundational innovation in category creation. It's why we're introducing new store commerce models and policies and creating new opportunities for local publishers and supporting even more apps with Android apps on Windows. This is the first version of a new era of Windows. We're building for the next decade and beyond. And when I reflect on those chapters to come, I'm reminded of an analogy from a 19th century philosopher who compared creators to objects in our solar system. He wrote about meteors that flash but fade away, planets that burn longer but whose energy is confined to their own orbit, and compared them to stars that are constant and light the path of their own. That's our ambition with Windows, to help other stars and entire constellations to be born and thrive. I'm incredibly proud of what Windows has achieved and how it has fostered lasting opportunity for others. And I look forward to seeing what you achieve with Windows 11 and how it'll unlock enduring opportunity for people in the world. Thank you all very, very much.
Hey, I think stream is over.
Hopefully, yes.
Please don't give more stories.
But there's an update like already here. As
Yeah, I
Akshay
see.
informed us. Windows 10 version 21.1.
45 minutes, please. When is the Windows 11 launch date?
No idea. What's the next?
That is some commercial briefing. It said like half an hour. After half an hour, it will come up.
When did? Okay, I guess it's today. What?
Can we download Windows? Is the Windows 11 website up?
Check it. Check. Go. Let's go Microsoft and check now.
Yeah, Mike, it's not there, I think. Yeah, it's not yet here.
It just says Windows 10.
Yeah.
Let's just see. Yeah, it's not here yet, I guess.
Users soon after the announcement.
Soon after the announcement.
Now,
Well, let's try. There's an update right here. I'll try restarting it. Right
yeah.
now. I didn't upgrade to like the older one itself, so maybe this upgrade that.
It says 21H1 update. I think that's it for the stream today, I guess. Windows 11. That is Windows 11. Thank you everybody for coming. Bye bye. मैं भी अभी अपडेट करके रिस्टार्ट करने आ रहा हूँ। चल रहा, मैं निकल रहा हूँ फिर।